In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off emails from eBay. If your inbox is getting filled with eBay updates, promotions, or account-related messages that you no longer want to receive, the good news is that you can manage those email settings directly from your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can adjust your communication preferences quickly and easily. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your eBay account. Once you're on the eBay website, look toward the top left area of the page and hover your cursor over your name. This will open the account menu where you can access different settings related to your profile and account activity. If the menu doesn't appear right away, just pause for a moment with your cursor over your name until the drop-down becomes visible. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the section where eBay stores your personal account options, including privacy, notifications, and communication controls. This is the main area you'll use whenever you want to update how eBay contacts you. Once you're in Account Settings, find and click on Communication Preferences. This is the section that controls the types of emails and other messages eBay sends to you. If you're specifically trying to reduce marketing emails or activity updates, this is the right place to make those changes. On the Communication Preferences page, look for the Buyer and Seller sections. These areas contain different categories of messages based on how you use eBay. For each section, click Edit. This will let you review the email options available there and decide which ones you want to keep and which ones you want to turn off. Take your time going through each section carefully. Some emails may be promotional, while others may be important for account activity, purchases, sales, or security. If your goal is simply to reduce unnecessary emails, it's a good idea to leave essential account and transaction notifications enabled while turning off the optional ones. As you update each section, make sure your changes are applied before moving on. If eBay shows a save or confirm option, use it so your preferences are properly updated. And that's it. By going to your name in the top left, opening Account Settings, selecting Communication Preferences, and editing the Buyer and Seller sections, you can control which eBay emails you receive and make your inbox much easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.